Join me as I dive into the challenge of uncovering 10 crazy facts from around the world that you won't believe are real. When you think about mind-blowing facts, you probably imagine something that's just, well, insane. Something that makes you question everything you thought you knew about the world. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. From the weird to the wild, we're counting down the most unbelievable facts that'll leave you speechless. But before we dive in, I want to emphasize that these facts aren't just any ordinary facts. These are the kind of facts that'll make you do a double take, the kind that'll make you wonder how you never knew this before. And that's the beauty of it, there's still so much we don't know about this world, and that's what makes it so fascinating. One of the things I love about exploring mind-blowing facts is that it's a never-ending journey. There's always something new to discover, something that'll surprise you and make you go wow. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded with information. We're glued to our screens, scrolling through social media, reading news articles, and watching videos. But amidst all this noise, it's easy to get lost. It's easy to feel like we've seen it all before, like there's nothing new left to discover. But that's just not true. The thing is, there are still so many hidden gems out there, so many fascinating stories and facts that are just waiting to be uncovered. And that's what makes this journey so exciting. It's a treasure hunt, of sorts, where the treasure is knowledge, and the thrill is in the discovery. But finding these hidden gems isn't easy. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to dig deep. You have to be curious, always asking questions, always seeking out new information. And that's exactly what I've done for you today. I've scoured the corners of the internet, pored over books and articles, and talked to experts in their fields to bring you the most mind-blowing facts from around the world. And trust me, these facts are going to blow your mind. So, without further ado, let's dive in and explore these incredible facts together. From the weird to the wild, here are the top 10 mind-blowing facts from around the world that you've never heard before. Fact number 10, did you know that there's a type of jellyfish that's immortal? Yes, you heard that right. The Turritopsis downii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, can transform its body into a younger state through a process called transdifferentiation. It's like it has a built-in reset button. In terms of evolution, this is huge. It means that this jellyfish can essentially live forever, constantly regenerating its body and staying young. And the craziest part? Scientists still don't fully understand how it does it. Fact number 9, did you know that there's a lake in Africa that's so toxic, it can turn animals into statues? Lake Natron in Tanzania is a saltwater lake that's filled with so much sodium carbonate that it can calcify the bodies of animals that die in it, essentially turning them into stone. The reason behind this is due to the lake's unique chemistry, which is influenced by the nearby volcanic activity. And the result is a lake that's both beautiful and deadly. Fact number 8, did you know that there's a species of shark that can live for over 500 years? The Greenland shark is an incredible creature that's found in the Arctic and subarctic regions. And while its lifespan is still a topic of debate, scientists have estimated that it can live for centuries, making it one of the longest living vertebrates on the planet. But what's even more fascinating is that scientists have found that the Greenland shark's eye lens can provide a unique view into the past. By analyzing the lens, they can learn about the shark's diet, its habitat, and even the climate of the past. Fact number 7, did you know that there's a type of fungus that can turn ants into zombies? The Ophiocordyceps unilateralis fungus infects ants and takes control of their bodies, causing them to climb to high locations and bite onto a leaf before producing spores that can infect other ants. It's a pretty creepy concept, but it's also fascinating from a biological perspective. And scientists are still trying to understand how the fungus is able to exert such control over the ant's behavior. Fact number 6. Did you know that there's a cave in Mexico that's filled with giant crystals? The Nika mine in Chihuahua, Mexico, is home to some of the largest crystals in the world, with some of them reaching up to 36 feet in length. But what's even more fascinating is that these crystals were formed over millions of years, and the cave is so hot and humid that humans can only explore it for short periods of time. Fact number 5. Did you know that there's a type of rock that can float on water? Pumice rock is a type of volcanic rock that's filled with air bubbles, making it incredibly lightweight and able to float on water. But what's even more fascinating is that pumice rock has been used for a variety of purposes throughout history, from construction to beauty products. And it's still a valuable resource today. Fact number 4. Did you know that there's a type of cloud that can create morning glories? Morning glories are rare, tubular clouds that can appear in the morning hours, and they're caused by a specific combination of atmospheric conditions. But what's even more fascinating is that morning glories have been a topic of interest for scientists and photographers alike, who are still trying to capture their beauty and understand their formation. Fact number 3. Did you know that there's a type of tree that can move its location over time? The walking palm tree is a type of palm tree that's found in the Amazon rainforest, and it has a unique ability to move its location by growing new roots and slowly relocating its trunk. But what's even more fascinating is that this process can take years, and scientists are still trying to understand how the tree is able to do it. Fact number 2. Did you know that there's a lake in the United States that's home to the world's largest water lilies? Lake Pontchartrain in Louisiana is home to some of the largest water lilies in the world, with some of them reaching up to 6 feet in diameter. But what's even more fascinating is that these water lilies have been a topic of interest for scientists and gardeners alike, who are still trying to learn more about their unique properties. Fact number 1. Did you know that there's a type of meteorite that can contain liquid water? The OSIRIS-REx mission discovered a meteorite that contains liquid water, which is a major breakthrough in the search for extraterrestrial life. But what's even more fascinating is that this discovery has major implications for our understanding of the origins of life on Earth, and scientists are still trying to learn more about the conditions under which life can thrive. And that's it, folks. These are the top 10 mind-blowing facts from around the world that you've never heard before. I hope you learned something new and exciting today, and that these facts have left you speechless. These facts are a reminder that there's still so much we don't know about this world, and that's what makes it so fascinating. They're a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of our planet, and they're a reminder that there's always more to learn, more to discover, and more to explore. So, what did you think of these mind-blowing facts? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible content.